Hi team. Let's look at project views in Pipeline CRM. Once you've got projects all set up, this is where you'll go to get a big picture look at everything that's happening across your projects. There are three main views: the timeline view, the list view, and the Kanban view. You can switch between these at any time, and then whichever one you use the most, you can set it as your default by just clicking the little bookmark next to it. Projects, milestones, and tasks. We're on the projects page right now. The milestone tab will show you your milestones in a list view, and the tasks tab will take you to an agenda style list as well. So let's take a deep dive into each of these views. We'll start here with the timeline view, which is the default, and this is where you can see all of your projects laid out in a time-based canvas. This is useful when you want to check on how projects are scheduled, spot any overlaps, or check progress against dates. You can switch up here between weekly, quarterly, monthly, or yearly, depending on how zoomed in you want to be. You can sort up here the projects. You can add filters. If you've got a lot of projects, this makes a lot of sense. You can filter by end dates, start dates, by owners. You can also expand all to see the milestones. You can add milestones from here. If you need to shift dates around, you can drag a product block left or right to move the start and end dates together, or you can drag the edges to extend or shorten it. You can also click on any block to see the start and end dates. So I'm just moving my mouse and I am clicking to see the start date and end date, the training starting June 30th, ending July 12th or 16th. Again, I can move this as needed. To add a milestone directly from the timeline, just go ahead and click Add Milestone. Next is the list view. This works the same way as your company's deals and people list views, so it should feel familiar. You'll see all of your projects in this table format. You can arrange the fields, add new fields up here, remove fields, sort, etc. Be sure to save your lists when you're done. Kanban view shows your projects organized by status, open and closed by default. You can sort, you can filter, and you can choose which fields show up on each project card using these icons up here at the top. The icons at the bottom of each card let you add an activity, add a task, or edit the project directly from this card. Be sure to save your board when you're done editing. The Milestones tab gives you a list of all milestones across every project in one page. You can view them in a list format, or you can view them in Kanban. And you can see that they are grouped by status: not started, in progress, blocked, and so on. These statuses can be customized in project settings. So if you go to settings, go to projects, milestone status, you can change those here. Finally, the task tab. This is going to show you all of the tasks across your projects in one agenda style lists. One last reminder, and this applies to timeline, lists, and Kanban. Any filtered or sorted configuration you set up can be saved as a reusable view. Just apply your filters, sort settings, and click Save as New View. And then you can access it anytime from the drop-down at the top of the page. Thanks.